Yo, yo, good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Kalimera.
Kalimera, how you
Good
doing?
morning.
How you doing?
How you doing, my brother? Oh,
Oops.
I'm blessed. How about you?
I'm doing great.
Tell me, bro. Your head feeling better?
Yeah, better.
L migraine. L.
L. Kalimera, Spatas, good morning, Tama, and YOLO. And we also got Notes and the other George, George T.
Yo. Good morning, George. Good morning, Knowles. Kamara. Kalimera, Spatas. TND. NJ Art. Alpha Trader. Good morning, guys. Welcome in. Let's have a killer and absolute blessed Tuesday. Yellow, great to see you, brother. You ready to moderate the chat, bro? Gets crazy. Who is the new George? He is, he's better. He's better. That's all you need to know. He's the better kind. Shall we pray?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, let's pray, gang. Let's pray. Jesus, thank you for this wonderful morning that you've blessed each and every one of us with, Lord. We just want to thank you for life, that we were able to get out of bed this morning, that we have well and able and functional bodies. There's so much that we take for granted every single day, but there's people out there praying for exactly what we have. Lord, just allow us to be grateful, to see how fortunate we are that you provide for us, Lord, in all ways. I just ask that you just go before us in the session. May you bless it, may you bless us, may you guide us, and may we do it all to the kingdom of your name, Lord. Just thank you that we're able to all get together and do what we do. Yeah, I just pray that it will be a blessed Tuesday. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
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 All right, let's get to the breakdown.
So,
Yeah, yesterday was crazy. We had a massive bleeder, but we managed to pull all the way back and close above these supports here on the left on the daily time frame. So yeah, also that candle looks like a massive rejection wick, so we also have that on the daily right now. The daily created a bottom wick, tried to fill some of that previous daily wick, and is now coming back up. And yeah, I think buys of the break of the highs, we now break the highs again after creating that steep low. I'm pretty bullish for then. So let's see what we have on the 4 hour. The 4 hour also just created a new support, and the current one just pushed up and broke the previous highs without forming a bottom wick. So yeah, gotta look out for that. Let's mark up the 4 support and this 4 resistance up here, so we have a range to look at. And now we go to the 1 hour and we see we can adjust this a little bit. So this is the overall range we are in, and currently gold had a correction move up, and then we have a pullback and a couple of more pullbacks. Yeah, some bullish moves in between. But let's see if we can break the structure. We would break the structure if we now break through these highs again, right? Because we came down, we made this low, made this high, made this low. So if we now break this high, we are breaking a structure. So yeah, everything above here still looks good. Let's keep this line for there. there for now. Then we have the 30-minute. 30-minute moving up. Still got some range to go. Just close above these supports right here. Which now became resistance, right? And we closed above, so now they're supports again. So yeah, we got this clean range to move up. But this current 30-minute also doesn't really have a bottom wick, just a little one. So on the 15, yeah, 15 broke out above this range, but yeah, not really bottom wick. So I would let this one go and see if we can get some buys above here. But for that, we would need some fresh resistance to be printed, because this move is already going for some time now. And yeah, if price, let's say this 1 hour closes below these supports, and then we come up and grab these highs maybe or something, and we get a fresh resistance down here, then I'm interested in taking sells again. But for now, more of the bullish side. Also, if we get some fresh resistance here, and then the next candle to close bullish above again, you know, then something like this. I don't know if you can see what I mean, but yeah, then we take the buys back up. So yeah, buys above here, and sells below here. Yeah, I need zoom any what's it called? The application. Yeah, I need that one.
Those are some beautiful candles, bro.
TradingView should add a candlestick thing for the drawing board.
Yeah, bro. W. I like that. I like that. I'd love to see the 4 hour tap to target, which is pretty much the same as that 30 and 1 hour zone. And come back down for a steeper bottom wick, because that 4 hour, I don't know if I trust that bottom wick.
Yeah. That's the problem. That's why I want to see if we take buys from here, because then we don't have the bullish structure. But if we get like a range 2 above here, then yeah, I think we can fill this range. But yeah, if you get above, then I think it's looking good.
Yeah. Good morning, Johnny. Johnny took some crazy trades yesterday. I saw that.
Good morning.
W, brother. W. Morning, Allison.
Yeah, Tama, exactly. 4,500 is way up here, but I'm more looking at 4,450.
What a crazy day. Yeah, NQ did the same, pretty similar to gold. I think NQ just moved more points. It was crazy, bro. It was crazy.
See what I mean? So this is the last high, Tama. So I think closures above these resistances here, and then if we break that high, that's where we break the structure on the 1 hour. And then buys look really good to go.
Good morning, Czar. Mr. Czar Trader. Did you happen to catch any of that move, Czar? I don't think anyone yet caught it, but dang. That was a crazy move.
You guys took some nice sells in NY yesterday.
Yeah. It was nice. Sadly, no continuation, but secured the bag at 200 pips, so.
Mm.
Yeah, I would say the better move happened even later, bro. Even later.
Yeah. This was your trade, right?
Yeah, that was the trade, and then not too long after, we did it all again. If you go to the 30, you can see how clean it was. The second move down,
Oh,
the
yeah.
resistance, and then boom.
But even here on the 15, I saw an entry right here.
Yep.
Beautiful. Would have probably tapped me BE there again, because I went BE. You can see it. Entry there.
Yeah.
Then it drops. You take partials, go break even. It comes all the way back up, and then. Just drops.
Yeah, because I mean, it moved like 270 pips. If we went to MGC, we would have secured something and gone BE. So, yeah, B. I saw that, but did not enter. Yeah, if I was on the charts, I would have definitely executed on that. That's cleaner than the pre-NYSE move, I think.
Any Asian trades?
You got your wicks, you got your grabs.
Sorry. Any Asia trades? I think not.
Yeah, I don't think so. Our price was so clean yesterday, bro.
Yeah.
Good timing didn't affect that much volume, but it bled. Yeah. Yeah, on a day like yesterday, there's gonna be volume until much later, is what I've realized. You can sit at the charts for an extra hour, but I'd already taken a dub, so I was like, okay. Holiday. But yeah, on a day like yesterday, when price is moving like crazy, the volume usually stays for a lot longer.
Yeah.
Awkward. Good morning. How you doing, brother? Stopped on my DAX trade, but still holding right on NQ. Oh. My South African trader. What you doing? Let's see. 2483. Oh, where? Is 2483 your TP or you cells? Are you holding a short run? Our favorite Swede is back. Let's go. Thank you, Oscar.
Earlier today.
Thank you, brother.
What do you mean by day like yesterday? Did you answer that?
Oh, who after?
Joni.
Oh, the day like yesterday, meaning lots. So obviously we know that Trump released a statement that he's putting a temporary stop to all missiles and whatnot to Iran for 5 days, and that really impacted the market. So we had a lot of people getting in on gold. So they like yesterday. I mean, we know we had some news, and there was a lot of volume. You can just see it literally in just how candles are printing. We had 1,000 pip candles. So on a day like that, when the markets are extremely volatile, the volume will usually last longer. That's what I mean.
Yeah, there's so much going on right now. I mean, it's kind of easy to get lost.
Yeah. One, 2, 3. That makes more sense though. Stop changing it, bro. You're confusing me. Dang. You got a solid entry there, brother. Something like 2,700 almost. Bro, hold on. This guy. This guy saw. Bro, what? How did you get in this? Czar, bro, what? You were up 3,700 pips? Are you a swing trader?
Trump's Twitter is the destroyer of charts, creator of opportunity.
Bro. I'm gonna get that tattooed. That's so good. Oh, that's funny.
Hey,
Good morning,
Tama.
Jackie. DRC. Oh, sorry. Thanks,
Tama, appreciate you, man.
Yeah. W Tamar. What did you? Thank you, brother. The community, honestly, is only as great ever as the people who make up the community. That's just the truth.
Yep.
You guys are amazing, truly.
DRC, good morning. And Alex.
DRC, Alex. Who else? So Benji.
Did we say hello to Allison? I didn't.
No,
hello, Allison.
No. Anitria, hello. It was a reverse before that and open. Bro, that's crazy. You know, do you see my my chart?
Yeah.
This here was Czar's entry.
No way.
Yep.
Bro, do you, Zar, do you have friends in the White House or? You got some insider moves or what's going on?
Dang.
Good morning,
Don't be
Anitra.
Czar. Yeah, he knows. He knows. He helped Trump type that message, bro. That's why he knew. Must have been. Thanks, Allison. We appreciate you too. Sister. Yo, we got to see some of Allison's charts yesterday, bro. That was exciting. Allison, W. Your whole message was just a straight up W.
Yep.
I don't fully know what I'm looking at half the time when I see your charts, but you clearly understand it and it's working, so don't change it.
Ah, dang, DRC. Looks like a good setup, though. The only thing... I mean, there was some range to come down, right? Until supports, but... Yeah, looked good.
Yeah, I see that, DRC. Probably biggest issue was that 30 printed very strong bullish. So maybe like if it were your notion, we probably would have liked to have seen this high break first and then enter for sales, simply because of that 30. But yeah, sometimes it's not worth it to even do that. So yeah, often it's worth it just execute on it. So W, yeah, it's just that 30 might have been the issue.
Your charts are visually challenging. Visually
Did you see
challenged
that?
charts. Yeah, I saw them screenshots.
Yeah.
I was like, holy.
Are you a pilot, Allison? You gotta be. Yeah, exactly, RC. Exactly. 100%. Especially for breaking lows. Yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can perhaps tap this for our target and then perhaps we reject from there. We'll see.
Yeah, but I mean, only just on the way up.
Yeah.
I'd really like to see it at least tap these zones for us to get into a trade. God bless you.
Thank you. Sorry.
Do we have news? Do we have news today? No. Oh, yeah, we do.
What we got?
PMI flash. That's all. That's all we have for the whole week, except for unemployment claims, of course. All the red folders, pretty smooth. Yeah, that 15 close no top wick.
Let's see how this 30 closes, I guess.
Yeah. Oh man.
Because if that 30 does close below 4399999, it looks good. I fear it would be a little bit early.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
I get what you mean. Can see that too.
We'll see. We got 5 minutes. Okay. How much you need for that stupid combine, bro?
750.
Easy peasy. Okay.
And for the other one on Lucid, I need 1,000.
W. Nice. Atul. Good morning, Atul.
Morning. How you doing, bro?
We got a quiet Tuesday.
Yeah.
How's the weather, you know?
It's cloudy. Cloudy and
with
cold.
The chance of
Cloudy
meatballs.
with a chance of onions.
It's cloudy here too, but it's not. Of course, it's not cold. We have
Of course not.
12 degrees. It's pretty cloudy. Yo, bro, my whole family's coming next month. Isn't that crazy?
Hey, nice. How long they gonna stay?
From South Africa. They're coming at different times, probably about 2 weeks each. Yeah, we have a wedding of a close cousin.
Oh,
like a close second cousin. So
I know you're gonna spend a lot of time in the kitchen again helping.
Nah, this ain't my wedding. I ain't gonna be in the kitchen.
That's good though. But you can enjoy the food.
Yeah, yeah, it'd be nice food. Like Greek wedding food is, yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, I
Bro,
need to
they
be
they
on one.
literally come, they bring the plates, and then they leave the plates that are full of food. They bring more plates and stack it on the other plates, and they balance it, and they form like this. There isn't even space on the table to eat. You've got to pick it and eat on your lap. And oh, we got some more. Okay, bring it, stack it, table, pyramid, boom, food.
Is that a pyramid scheme?
Yep, that's the Greek
That's what they
pyramid
talking
scheme.
about. Yeah.
Yep, yep.
I would fall for that.
I do every single wedding. Yeah, I do. Do you do plates smashed on heads? Um, yes, there will be plates that are gonna be smashed, but remember they're not actual plates that you eat on. They're clay plates. They're made specifically for smashing. Once, at my mom's wedding, they had some foreigners that were not Greek, of course, and the one guy took a plate from his table, the eating plate, and threw it like a frisbee. Okay, and it hit my mom
Oh my.
on the head, and she spent that night, her wedding night, in the hospital because she was concussed.
Oh my god, bro. This is straight out of a movie. Straight out of a
Bro,
movie scene, man. What?
yeah, so if you guys ever go to a Greek wedding, just know that the plates that they break, either on the head or on the floor, are not the same plates that you eat with. Okay, they're much softer.
I never heard about that.
Now you know.
Okay, yeah, now I'm prepared.
It hurt quite a lot. Maybe you went to the wrong wedding, Alice. They're not supposed to hurt.
Maybe some people just crashed out and threw their plates. Wasn't even a Greek wedding, it was just people crashing out.
Yeah, going crazy.
Alright, 30-minute close.
Yeah,
A
no,
lot of Uzo.
much. Of course, Alice, and I'm not surprised.
Yeah, nothing for me. No
Backpacking on your
buys. No buys, no sells right now for me. Do you see anything, George?
No, 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 no.
Yeah. Next 30 minutes,
No,
if we
sir.
can... if this 15 comes up, grabs the highs, and then we close below, the next 15 closes bullish but weak below, then we have London open and a fake out. That would be
Yeah.
good.
Nice. Do you like Uzo, Alison? It's nice. It's strong, but it's got a licorice flavor. It's quite nice. Why? Why was there a lot of Uzo if you didn't like Uzo, Alison? Come on. Must be nice when it was safe then. Everyone seems to be a serial killer. Where, bro? Greece is still okay. Well, not so, yeah. Athens, nah, it's still okay. But people losing their minds, bro. Alex, they're losing their minds.
Yeah. I feel like media is also playing a big part of it.
The biggest part. Biggest. Media at this point can convince anyone of anything. Everyone's on their phones all the time. They need to see one TikTok video spreading the biggest lie, but they don't have, we have Google at such a quick access, but they like to get their education from TikTok or Instagram Reels. And they just go crazy, bro. The thing is, people seriously stop thinking. There's simply no more critical thinking in most of today's age, sadly. And I truly believe that once we stop thinking as individuals is pretty much the day that we die.
Yeah.
Very scary, Allison. And I struggle, like, how do you even begin to help these people? Every time I've spoken to someone about this, they're like, "Oh, bro, what are you talking about?" You know, I'll get a degree. No, like just think, just think. Every time I get into like a discussion with someone about something that we disagree on, I always end the conversation with say, "It's okay. We can disagree. It's fine. All I ask that you take away from this is that you think. Just think for yourself, just a little bit. That's all that. And then the rest is up to God. Whatever happens, happens. But
Yeah.
it's done." Yeah, Alex. Look, it's not even really about making money. You know, we just have to be content with who we are, what we have now. Because I promise you, money is not going to fill that. Not going to fill that hole. There's just going to be another goal that you're going to chase after. There's going to be another like goal of amount of money that you're going to want to make. So yeah, money is definitely not the answer. It's about being content with what you have now, and money will come. Money always comes.
The money will just help us escape like this
Yeah, sure.
system, kinda. It's not only money, it's this job, it's day trading. Because we can make money from anywhere. We don't need anybody. Like, you just need a phone or a PC and internet connection, and you can make money from anywhere at any time. As long as you got the skill. So we are really just here to learn the skill, because that's the key to living a life without like boundaries, where you gotta ask your boss if you can take off for that vacation, or I don't know, some other stuff. We don't have to show up at office. We just gotta show up for ourselves.
Goldie, don't die on us now.
You know what it is. London Open, bro.
D&D's favorites.
Is your microphone different today?
Ah, see, so there is a difference.
Yeah.
No, today I switched to the old one. I
Oh.
feel like we're in the headset right now. I got a headset with a better mic as well. The difference is probably slight because the excuse me, the my laptop's mic is pretty good.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, it just sounded a little bit different from yesterday.
Better or worse?
I would say yesterday was better.
W investment.
Come on, Goldie, don't be so boring. Just driving down, no top wick. Driving up, no bottom wick. What's this? What's up, Roma? So you taking some nice profits already. W.
Ooh. Hello.
Asia, I wasn't really there. I was just pulling up for 30 minutes or something. Didn't really see what I wanted, so I was looking at, what was it? Yeah, this one, I think. Nah, it was Asia. Oh yeah, right here. So yeah, we were looking at this closure and I wanted the sells, but we never got the top wick and it just bled down and then I went to bed. So I don't know if Lewis caught something afterwards, but yeah. I just saw this move up, waited on the support, and then it just dropped. So that was my Asia. No trade. We trade every session, actually, but on YouTube, it's only London, and except for Thursday. Thursday we don't stream London, we stream NY on YouTube.
Yeah, the rest of the session, New York and an Asian and open market open. These are all done with the members on the Discord. Yo, Mr. Alex on chart.
Yo, good morning, bro.
Good morning, my brother. I was also getting active yesterday. Right, Alec? Bless, my brother. Ah, super blessed.
Man, I saw all of you taking so many W's yesterday. I was kind of having FOMO when I woke up later that day. I saw like 40 Discord messages. I see like 20 of them being in the profits channel. I'm like, dang, what did they do? What did I miss today?
You know I called you, right?
Yeah.
And you answered. 1 hour looks interesting. Let's see. Oh,
C
yeah. Yeah.
CXN. I'm literally in a bullish trade on gold right now. My TP is at the high you have marked out. Yeah, I think that's reasonable TP to have. You got an entry pretty low, or where's your entry?
Yeah. And where's your stop loss?
See, the good thing for you right now is even though gold is going down right now, it's not really going down, you know? It's just...
Yeah.
For now it's remaining there. If you look at the 5-minute, all those candles reject from pulling back. Yeah, 1 hour looks a little bit scary for you if you're on buys.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
But you still got 15 minutes for that closure. Could turn. Price action was actually crazy. It edged my TP of 24,300 and went all the way back to 24,400 before continuing low again. Nice. Yeah, I mean, price action is was wild this year.
24-4. What happened, Roma? Did you get BE or stop loss? I'm assuming you answered swords. So the 15 goes really ugly on gold.
Yeah. $30 could flip. Still ain't got the top wick. Four, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so down here. I see, babe. Basically the break of these highs. 4, 3, 7, 6, and then stop. Yeah, these lows. Did he secure something already? I would have closed partials here for sure when that 15 closed no top wick. That's also 1-to-1 risk reward. Nice partials there. We got AB. Good morning, brother.
Yeah, look, if we want to continue up, I think your stops are pretty valid there. DXN. We got some big closures coming up, so we'll see. But your stops are pretty safe there, I would say. Good morning, AB.
I agree.
Hello.
Stops are safe. I'm feeling better, bro. Thanks, man.
Feeling good too, thanks. AB. Nah, you sent me a DM. I promise.
Okay. It's like,
He did not. Thank you, AB. Thank you.
How are you doing, Abe?
Yeah, how's the dawn?
The dawn. Look at that. 30-minute created a top wick. We could fill that wick now, pushing up, but then London open, let's see. Breakout above this range. Ooh, we still got 150. Yeah, maybe. Gotta see. Smashed full TP on sleep stops. Nice, man.
So I'm going to stop to the last faithful low. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, bro. That's a good plan. Because now it's 30 split one. Don't do that. Now it's 30 is flipping. We break these highs, we should come up.
Jamil. Just saw the YouTube right now. My bad.
Jamil. Come on.
Close over. Moving my suit to last very low. Not gonna lie. Yeah. I mean, stops to break even right now makes sense already. I feel like you already came back to that high. Got your entry down here, so we shouldn't break that low if you want to continue bullish at that point. But of course, manage as you like.
Yeah.
But it makes sense. I'm gonna be right back in 1 minute.
Alright, brother. Yes, and just trade your plan, bro. It's always the best option and the most professional. Because if you have a plan, right, and then you listen to one of us, anyone, that goes against your plan or different to your plan, and it works out according to the way you plan the trade, then yeah, you're gonna be feeling all sorts of ways. So I think if it closes a we'll see.
I'm back.
Exactly, CXN. Exactly. Everyone here trades different. You know, and I almost trade identically, but yet we still somehow trade differently. So
yeah,
always stick to what you have planned out.
Literally, we always take the same trades, the same entries, same stop loss, everything basically. And we never have the same weekly results. Never.
Yep.
That just shows, man. It's all depending on how you you gotta find your own flow.
100%. Your own fingerprint.
Yeah. amount of people I know that have quit trading due to never sticking to the plan is crazy. Yeah. Just in general.
Yeah, it's usually the case. Yeah.
So many people I've seen quitting.
They don't have data, right? If you're not following a plan or your plan, you don't have data that you can rely on. And if you don't, trading is all about data. Why? Because it's all about probabilities. And if you don't know the probabilities, or if you don't understand the probabilities, you're basically just gambling, right? You're just buying and selling at any given moment. But if you have data and you understand the probabilities of setups and moves and time and candle closures and whatnot, you actually have confidence in the trading, and you're gambling still, but with a big edge. And that's what separates us from just random traders.
Yeah.
Random note, did you guys see demand trading? I did not. I did not see it. And I've heard many stories about it being a scammer, but did not see that video. And yeah, it is what it is.
Random note, did you see the Iman trading video about TJR being a scammer? Yes, I saw that. I mean... yeah. I'm not so deep into that, but... I feel like they are all crying a little bit too much. They should trade more. That's what I think.
Bro, that's so true. That's so true. I'm looking at a fade. It's way too sensitive for me. So it looks good. Guys, want to ask anyone? Yeah, what are called? Great evade, great view. I saw your messages, Alex. And like said, I think the only thing you can really do now is contact support, let them all know about these issues, and give a little complaint. Maybe you get a little something out of it. But
yeah,
Lucid, they should get back to you. They should fix these issues. If they don't, of course, their prop will die.
Yeah, the experience I made with them is that they are interested in fixing these problems because they just launched this platform and like they want to clear out all the bugs, obviously, because they want to have a good experience for the user. So if you text them about the problem, the issue, then they might even come up with a little something for you, some excuse, maybe some free reset or something, I don't know. And if not, then at least they will still fix it.
Yeah. Are you going the allowed contract size, Alex? Because if you're going above what they allow us to go above, it will never get executed. Same on top step. I'm gonna switch to my my other mic. Give me 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yo, see ya. Good morning, bro. Guten Morgen. Did you check silver? Yes, I did. Pretty much the same as goldie, but like the same plan. Looks like silver's about to break out though. Goldie, still trying to get above this, but let's see, 2 minutes.
Hello?
Hello.
Is that better?
Yo, this is like 10 times better, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah, HDDDDD.
Alright. Thanks for letting me know, guys. Danke, danke. Yeah, Jackie, silver's size is just insane. It's just insane. 5 times the size of gold, which is just insane. And silver usually, yeah, we've seen silver move so nicely, but yeah, let's put one micro silver and risk $1,000. You know.
I don't really trade NQ. I mean, I do have some trades on NQ, but I personally am not really looking on trades for NQ because my system hasn't been proven itself on NQ that good, because NQ moves a little bit different compared to gold. I would say you have more liquidity grabs happening, and that makes it tough for that strategy sometimes. But we have AB and Lewis trading NQ, but mostly in NY and Asia session, not really in London.
Yeah, we had Lewis in London, but he is now migrated to the Asian. Yo, we got
Mr. Worldwide
in the house.
Yo. Pitbull.
What's up, Mr. Worldwide? What's up, Pitbull?
Good morning, Sunboy Comedy. How you doing, bro? Alright, we got London Open. Let's see. We have not really any good setup, I would like. Yeah. GG's, I'm getting stopped. Yeah, let's see. You got your stops at break even now? Maybe these lows can hold for you. The good thing is you don't have a top wick on that 15 yet, so it might come up and flip.
Man, Alex, I see that, and I'm not. Have you contacted this support? And have they gone back to you? I think that's your best option right now. Which are you right clicking on the chart and then adding it, or are you using the order system on the right hand side?
I think it's on Trading View, right?
Oh yeah, this is not trade C.
Trade. Okay. Guess it's
No, I
the
think you're right.
same there.
You're right.
Might be the same there though. I never traded on Trading View, like on the actual Trading View.
Yeah.
440. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's see if those lows can hold for you. I hope so.
Very buggy. Yeah, brother. Look, I think your best case is honestly to just contact the support, let them know of the issue, and see what they tell you. Because it doesn't make sense. These orders should be getting filled. Heading to the 4-hour maybe? Which side, Tamar? 4-hour target or 4-hour bottom wick?
Might
Very
be
good, yeah.
might be interested in sells if we can come up, break the highs for us. So if you just break the lows now again, then I can't take it because we don't have the stops.
Do we trade New York session or we only trade London on YouTube? We cover all the sessions, New York and Asian, and often the market open. And we cover those sessions every day. Yeah. You can check our website if you're interested, but of course those are just for the members. London is the only free option.
Yeah. The membership is less than a top step combine, so. I think it's fair.
Yeah, bro. My goodness. It ain't 3K.
All right, goalie.
Yeah, Tamar price is almost saying it wants to tap that target, but we never know. We never know. It could reverse at any time to actually give the 4-hour a steeper low. But it would make sense if we tap target first and then come down, since we are just moving up on the 4-hour. But I can definitely see why she's interested, yeah.
Yeah, the thing happened here is we grabbed those highs and then we closed below this. So now we created a bottom wick and then we come up, create a high. So if you now break the lows again, I think it's coming down. But we have to break the highs and then we gotta see how much minutes we got left on that candle, because we want to see it happening quick to ensure that we have volume on our side. If we don't have the volume, this move is not playing out.
Trading 3 sessions could be hard for them. It's okay. Yeah, it depends, I suppose, on the trader. I don't trade 3. None of us here really trade all 3 sessions, but we have someone doing at least 1 session. I only trade London and New York. That's it for me. She trades London, New York, and sometimes Asian. AB does. Honestly, a lot of you guys do all 3, bro.
Yeah, it's like sometimes, but I'm not always doing 3. I'm not, that would be too much. But sometimes, I hop between some sessions, and I'm awake for maybe market open, so I'll trade that. But then my main sessions are London and NY, and then usually Asia is where I sleep. Good morning, David. Hope you're doing great.
Good morning, David. Good morning, brother. Yeah, our sessions are not incredibly. We're not trading open till close. That would be way too much. We're trading about 2 to 3 hours each session.
Yeah, we're looking for the highest volume in each session to trade on. I mean, sometimes, you know how it is. Some days you might get some more volume later in the day, or another pack of volume. Sometimes you see another move forming at a different time, but usually, yeah, we got our set sessions. But anyway, joining the Discord is free. So if you want to be part of our community, yeah, it's free. Feel free to join. We got amazing people in here. Really amazing people.
Yeah, truly. Worked at 12 hours, then traded midnight. Oh,
dang.
what a grinder! Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Well done, Roma.
Respect.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah. Respect. How long you been trading for? Romer. Three years. Wow. W. Well done.
Working full time and then still doing 2 sessions. That's crazy.
Yeah, well done. Seriously. Would you say your trading is profitable? Or not? You don't have to answer that if you don't want to. Just join the Discord, WCXN. I'm about to go put a fire on that thing.
Welcome.
Fire. Welcome, my brother. Welcome.
Yeah, also, I don't know if you guys knew, but if you don't know what strategy me and George are trading, we got a playbooks section on the Discord where the plays that you gonna see me and George be taking most of the times. Yeah, we have visuals for them, so you can look at them, study them, and see what we're doing. If you like it, you can adapt it, learn it.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can download it for free.
But it's only been 2 months. 2 months is, if you've been profitable 2 months, it's a great sign. I would say that means that your system works. Now you just gotta see how it goes 6 months, and then 12 months, and then 2 years.
Also, being profitable in the last 2 months is already a good sign, because I feel like it was a hard time for most of traders. Who was?
Bro. I didn't even think of that.
Yeah.
This guy's profitable. February,
Good morning, guys.
March.
Yo,
W.
AB, good morning, bro.
What's up, baby?
Who was your mentor? So I learned first from Don Vo.
Thanks, bro. Yeah.
And
Oh,
from
Don
Don
Vo,
AB, yeah. But Don Vo, I learned that's where first like really learned a strategy from and saw live trading, and then I swapped over to time to eat trading, and I stayed there for like 2.5 years, maybe 2 years.
And now you're here.
Free? Did you say
Oh.
free? Yes, sir. Free playbook.
Good morning, everybody. Hey, yo, David. I see you, and I don't see you that much. So just gonna tell you that we miss you.
There you go, CXN. Your trade. It's looking like it might still play out. Your stops held.
Surviving.
If that 15
CXN.
close above,
See.
looks good.
Yeah.
Take your time, David. But yeah, miss you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hope
David.
everything is good.
It's not the same without you, brother.
Yeah.
Who's excited for the boot camp though? We also got the lower time frame boot camp coming in.
Yeah, crazy.
Oh.
AB will be tackling a full, in-depth understanding of how he trades Monday through Friday next week. And that's for members only, of course. If you're interested in that, check the website again. If not, don't worry. We will be there though, and we will be catching some serious pre-New York gems.
Serious. Yep, so guys, come over if you guys are interested in how everybody in the chat are students basically. What they picked up from the lower time frames, how they see the structure, and how they are able to take really nice trades. Of course, like there are trades which are zero drawdowns, and we like to have fun calling our trades zero drawdown trades. But yeah, so far it's going good. We have so many people who have incorporated those styles, that way of seeing the markets in their own trading. So yeah, join us at pre-NY. No SLs, only gems, no fluctuations.
Yeah, I don't like that we have this 15 resistance in the way. Otherwise, if we could black this one out, just blank it out so we can't see it, those two candles here, then it would be looking good. But we got this in a way, so I don't really like it. What do you think, George? The element looks good though, just a 15.
Yeah, I can't, bro. It makes sense why people would be interested. I can't execute on this. I mean, yeah, you enter off the high, you do have a week to fill, but your resistance is in these massive ranges. You got a resistance 20 pips away. That already makes me uncomfortable. The 30 is very. Why is my 30 not loading now? Top step, come on. 30 is very overextended. I would much rather TND have this thing tap the highs, the target, and then we take potentially the bearish move down. That's what I'm more interested for the time being. I think we are a little bit too high to be entering in buys. I think the buys are much lower, and about 80% of the buy position has kind of already taken place. It's already happened. So yeah, I'd rather let this thing go, see what happens. Maybe we can not even break those highs and we come down and close below, and then there's the better move either way, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna let this go.
Yeah,
Honestly, 50 and 30, they are not moving. They're just like, I mean, they're moving in a range, but last, what, 4 15-minute candles have just been chopping around.
I like the
So
break of
maybe
the
price
lows
is
for
right.
sales.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is too risky for me since we have no volume, so I don't like it because of the volume we are missing. But I think if these lows break, man, it's dropping. But I also get why you would wanna put a buy stop, and it also looks good to break the highs and go, because we already broke the highs on the 15 and are now pulling back. So re-breaking those highs makes sense. But like George said, I just can't take this because we got 20 pips and then we running into trouble. So yeah, and also the sells, I would have need to see maybe another liquidity grab to be sure on this one now. So we can wait on this closure though, which is gonna be the 30-minute in 12 minutes, and let's say we close below here, then we can take the sells down. And if we close like weak bearish, like a salary, yeah, then maybe buys, but still we gotta see how the bottom wick forms and everything. But I
Yeah,
think
agree.
sells, I'm kind of on the sell side, to be honest, because we spend so much time up here and we're always coming back down. If you see that on the 5-minute, how often we retested this zone now, I think once we break this, it's gonna go.
I think
Yeah,
problems for
I
me
need that.
personally
Oh
just
man.
don't really work that well. Kind of gives me greed and gap. Yeah, the prop firm game it's like I said, a game. Uh, it's definitely different. I think you have to really work with their rules in order to take advantage of them. But once you can figure out the rules, I think prop firms are a really good investment. I think your return on investment can be insane with these combines and then XFAs. So yeah, it's definitely an ROI game. I fully agree. And if you can master it, I think it's a good way to exploit some of these prop firms. I mean, they're paying out, so why
Yeah.
stop? But the personal account is the way to go, because with these prop firms, we absolutely never know when they can be like, you know what, we're done. I can't do this no more, right? At least you know it's your personal account. It's your money, and you can trade it as you please. And it's not really ever going anywhere unless you lose it all. So yeah, definitely best is personal. But while these prop firms are available, I would love to exploit them. Yo, you know, after this, I'm gonna sit and look for applications where we can draw.
Yeah, I was looking for some earlier, like maybe 2 months ago, and I couldn't find anything.
Someone, I think it was Harsh, bro. He sent a message in this chat. It's way too far gone now. Do you guys think the props will disappear? I don't think prop firms will ever disappear. Like the idea of prop firms, but I think many companies will fall through. It's just how it goes. There's no saying of which prop firm industry or which company will fall through, but I think the idea of prop firms will always stay as long as trading is legal. So yeah, I think prop firms will always be around, always.
Yeah, I agree. It's just also the thing, if you're really good at farming these prop firms, they might just want to get rid of you. So
Yeah, true.
I like prop firms, man. Especially since futures, they made me money. And on my personal, when I started trading, I only lost money. So on personal trading, I'm still down on money, you know. But I made it all with prop firm funding. So yeah, for me, prop firm is a blessing.
Yeah, for sure.
I lost all my capital. But I needed prop firms at that point, so. But now prop firms. That's how we got it back, and how we still building it.
Can we just delete London session?
Hey,
Like,
London deleted. Never.
whoa. Bro, what is this?
Bro,
Hello?
just give it 6 minutes. Don't worry.
But I think London session is one of those sessions where if you attend it consistently, weeks on weeks, your patience is gonna just go to the next level.
yeah, and also you're gonna see it's gonna fill our bags too. We're slowly heating up. I can see a trade happening in the next 6 minutes here. Close below, man. Looks really good.
Alright, if Yarosh is going for a trade, I'm going all accounts, full margin.
Yeah. But then CXN, you got stopped in profits, right? Not your full stops, your initial. She will heat up. I have a buy limit on 4389. 4389, that's right here.
What's that? That's Sujay?
That's Sujay, yep.
Okay.
Alright,
I wasn't even looking at the YouTube chat.
That's crazy.
I hear you read that comment, and I'm like, okay, who's that? Sujay?
5-minute TJL.
Yeah.
Five more minutes.
Full stops. Yeah, but I mean, you trailed them up, right? Or was this did you lose on a trade? Ah, yeah, that's good. That's good though. See, if you're not able to close partials and you have move like this, I know it's tempting to catch the big move, but if your margin only allows you to open up one contract, then close full at resistances. Like if you see it's tapping where you would close partials, just close it, and then see your profits stacking up until you have enough to go 2 contracts, maybe, you know. Because I've been in a situation where I've let profits on the table because I was like, dang, I don't want to close it, but I would close half if I could. But then I was in with only 1 contract, so I couldn't. And then I was greedy, trying to get more, and then it just pulled back and I got nothing. And would I just taken all these trades and would have just closed at that point, I would have made a lot of profits. Yes, Knowles, I am definitely interested in sells below here. This dirty can close and leaves a wick. Looks good. Yeah, you're welcome. That's why we're here. Be sharing our experience and what helped us to become profitable. And yeah, I mean, we're still improving. It's not like we are perfect. We will never be. But I think we got rid of some like we got rid of the worst beginner mistakes, I would say. some more. Okay, 1 minute.
I'm not looking, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, exactly, Roma. Lifelong student of the market. The market will always teach us. All right. 20 seconds looking good so far.
There. Alright. Nice closure.
All right, perfect. Let's see.
See if we can get that wick.
Yeah, we need a top wick.
Get that wick.
Come on, goalie. A little bit of a top wick here. Otherwise, we just gotta let this one go.
I ain't good at letting things go, you know. Just joking.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Bargain.
Can't hold back anymore.
Nice, goalie. Some more, some more.
Top back. Just the top back.
Let's see.
Maybe tap into these wicks.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Yeah, I think that's good enough though.
Yeah, if we can make it steeper than W. If not, it's okay.
Yeah, perfect. Got like 200 pips stop loss or what? 150.
Can my 30-minute please load?
Nah, it's mine is also bugging whenever I'm trying to flip between 15 and 30.
Dang. Alright, mom. Oh, I just loaded. Okay, W.
Okay, W.
Let's see. Looking good.
That is looking pretty good. Looking pretty good.
Pretty.
Yeah, Jackie. Perfect top wick, I would say. This is my highest win rate setup, so if you get activated, this is just another trade. Nothing we can do from there. We just did our job. We analyzed the markets. We waited. We got the setup. Now we execute, and then the outcome is up to gold.
Yes, sir.
To the gods.
What risk if you are an evil? So I like to risk between 500 and 1,000 on a 50k. So I have like, yeah, between 25 and 50% of the drawdown of the account. I think George, for you it was the same. We talked about it yesterday or something, no?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, basically it's a 2k account, that's true. But it's still a 2k account for what, like 115 bucks?
Yeah.
So that's a nice multiplier. That's how I see it.
Same.
Yeah, Forex has more drawdown, true. I remember trading FTMO. But you also have to make more, so it's not that it's easier on Forex. Tradify had a special yesterday. What kind of special? Like discount?
You gonna move gold?
Yeah, it's taking some time. I'm gonna be right back.
Alright, brother.
BRB strat. Gold. What's up? What's up, gold? Do something.
Goldie, Benoldi. 40% off. Nice.
Oh, is it not there anymore?
I'm sure it is. A one-day special doesn't sound like a prop firm, you know?
Hey, Azar Trader, where are you from?
Zar, bro. He's from Zar. South Africa.
Yeah, I thought so. I thought so too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to double check. Fake out buys above, maybe.
Yeah, yeah. If we get too close to this 15-minute closure, I'll just delete for the time being. And if we close weak, very weak bullish, maybe even a little bit bearish, then I'll re-add. Fake up buys maybe, but that 30 minutes still closes very strong bearish. So maybe fake out for buys once the 30-minute closes and not the 15.
Yeah, I'm back.
Hello, back. You made gold move up, bro. Don't leave again.
George, who's Izzy? Do you know Izzy?
Izzy Agalea.
Nah, the Izzy that comes on Traderify.
I have no idea who it is.
Zar, who is Izzy?
Adesanya? The UFC fight?
Oh, holy.
Is it Adesanya? Is he talking about Izzy? That Izzy?
Naya,
Is
that's why I asked that question. Yeah, no, she gave a nice answer though.
What was your nurse's answer?
If it's
Izzy,
Izzy
that
Agalea or how,
yeah, Agazelia or whatever that her name.
the
It is
singer.
Adesanya. Yeah. Wait, Adesanya was on Tradeify? I've actually
Yeah,
seen
he's
that.
like a sponsor or something, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah. W
crazy.
Traderify.
Bro, that's crazy. Man's gonna promote Tradeify in the Octagon.
Yeah, no wonder the orders get slipped and trade away whenever we have anything.
Because he be slipping
Get
those
knocked
punches.
out
No.
with every. Yeah, bro. Slipping that left hook, you know?
There.
All right.
Delete order? Not yet.
All right.
Not
I'm
yet.
keeping
So
it.
please,
I'm gonna delete if we have like 3 minutes on it.
Yeah. We didn't actually re-break those highs, so
Yeah, we held them. That's really good. And then this is also like if we get activated and pushed down on the last 5 minutes, like right now, we still got this is more based on the 30-minute candle anyways, so the 30 is still open. And the 15 then closing pretty bearish, so I like it. But if it's like 3 minutes, then yeah.
yeah, then we move and we wait for the 15 to close, and maybe we close below again. Then we re-add W's.
also 1 minute has changed structure to the downside, so that's a W.
Hey,
Say less, bro. I was cutting it 2 MGC. I'm about to put 10.
I'm adding.
What?
10, let's go. I'll attempt something from the A plus. If we get there, what's the 5? Yo, top step.
Look at
Is
the
it just
5
me or
minute.
top step is just quaking, bro? Like, holy.
Nah, it's just you,
Yeah,
man.
mine's quicking too. The 30-minute just takes
Ha.
like a minute to load.
Everything.
You know? Yeah. It's just you who's not having those issues.
W.
Maybe it's XFA. Oh, that's the only difference.
Yeah,
Now
maybe.
it's working. Now it's working. All right, Goldie might be forcing us to wait.
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe.
I didn't expect that 5 to come all the way back up after that closure, but okay.
It's
Cool.
the same, bro. What the- that was such a strong rejection. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait 3 minutes.
Yeah, let's wait here.
Yeah. Yeah, Sujay. Yeah, looks good. 3 more mini days.
Dang. Some ultra fat pigeon just landed on my balcony. And it's just staring at me.
You have a pelican? Sploop.
Yeah.
I'm not ready to watch a drive all the way down now.
No, me
It's-
neither.
It's not.
Yeah. It's gonna wait, bro. It's gonna wait.
Kurt, hello.
Awkward.
Today red.
What you said?
What? No, I just said today is red folders.
Oh.
Tamer said.
Yeah. We got PMI. Not major. It's one of the bad red folders.
Hmm. Okay, Janusz, you have some letter getting delivered to you from Munich.
Dang.
What?
I sent him from money.
Sujay has sent some secret photos to Janusz in a letter.
Oh, do you want my address?
Oh, it's the pigeon. Oh, you sent it. Okay, I see.
Yes.
And
It's the pigeon.
it's the pigeon.
I thought it was the government for a second.
We don't want those.
Was a spy.
Okay, guys. We are trading. Anything? Please give trade, sir. I hungry.
Maybe.
Pigeon was
give it
trying to
20
get
seconds.
signals. Oh yeah, they got to sell stuff.
Sell stuff. Let's go.
Come on. It's still not terrible. We did technically close back above.
Yeah.
Man, it's difficult not to react that sell stop. The 30 looks still so good to
Let me
to come
say,
down.
if we come up and fill that wick again, I still like the sell stop.
Yeah.
But if we now just come down, I'm scared we just get nipped in and then it comes up because we
Grab
closed
the lows
above.
and then break the highs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Close and break.
So we need to come up first, and then if you come then all the way back down, I think it should drop, because
But it's
then the
good.
30-minute looks good to drop too.
Yeah, I'm definitely not interested in buys though. I can't really buy against the 30-minute like that.
Yeah.
And
30 is
50
still
close
open.
too weak as well for buys for me.
Yeah, I agree. I think if we re-break the highs one more time, I think it's looking good to put the sell stop back on.
Yeah. Break the high, give a little push. Nice.
There it is.
Nice. And if this just goes, it can go. It's fine.
Yeah. Because we cannot take this. The 30 minute is still open. We just closed bearish below on this last 30 minute. And this 15 closed way too weak to just jump on. So 30 is still open. Could just grab the highs like we did right now and then come back down. So yeah, let's see if we get activated. We definitely got some bias in, so this plays into our position too now if you get down and break the lows, because that's probably where the people buying have their stop loss now. That's gonna be our entry.
mi uno momento, por favor.
Yeah, I think if we keep breaking the highs now, I'm going to delete. And then we wait on the 30-minute and see if we can get something of that. If the previous 50-minute close below the support, aka salary, and we grab the highs with the current like it does now, would that justify entering on the current candle lows? On the current candle.
Yeah, Alex, W.
I think you can do that, but you gotta be aware that that is the aggressive way of entering, so it's gonna be more risky. But if you have like the confluence of the higher time frame and everything pointing into your direction, and you have a lot of volume going on, then maybe you can take use of that. But I personally like the actual break of the lows, because then it makes sense on the higher time frame too. Because if I would now take it on like this candle right now, which would be the situation basically, right? Let's say this 15 close below and we just grab these highs slightly, then you would have a sell stop here, right? But then on the 30-minute, you see you have the sell stop right there, and then at that point you don't have the confirmation like down here, but you got a better RR. So that's basically what you get and what you lose, right? You lose confirmation, but you get RR. So yeah, always gotta be aware on what you're doing on the charts, and then see if you like what you're doing and if it's fitting to your risk, your trading style, your management. But let's see how much did we drive here. Yeah, we have 200 pips. We have 126 until partials. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait on the 30-minute now and see if we can maybe close below again. And if we close above, then buys are not bad. Oh my god, what's going on now?
We got volume. Holy.
Just as I say that.
Stop saying
Add it
anything.
back.
Stop saying anything.
Add it back. Yeah, then it's gonna keep driving up then.
I didn't delete yet. If we re-break this high, then I will delete.
Alright, George. Then
All right, George W. Thank you for that. Let's go, boys. Full margin, sell stops.
I'll just lower my risk here. Because we have steeper
I
stops.
did lower my risk. Yeah.
Full margins. Jesus.
Yeah, worst case scenario, we just wait for the 30 to maybe close week. Bullish back below. Then we re-add. Same as we're waiting for the 15. But yeah, I still trust these lows. I don't think we should break them and then come back up. And if we do see that, then L's in the chat.
L's in the chat. L's in the chat.
Yeah, waiting on the 30 also makes sense. If you don't want to have that steep stops.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. If we get to the last 5 minutes, I'm definitely deleting because it's the last 5 minutes of the 30 and the 1 hour as well.
Yeah.
I'm deleting it anyway. So.
Yeah.
But that's my plan. That's my plan. Yeah, I'll use the 8 minutes to make myself some coffee. Hope it bleeds for you, George.
I'm probably going to be deleting soon. We'll see.
Yeah, I hope it bleeds before that.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, bye-bye. I go make coffee now.
Alright, I'm deleting now.
Yeah, if my chart can load, I will delete too. Okay, there we go.
You broke
Yeah,
the highs
we
again.
wait. Yeah, now we wait. On the one I have to grab the previous, but it does not look bad. It does not. It does weak bearish, yeah. Size look pretty interesting. But we've got a lot of mess in the way, to be honest. Thanks for a whole lot of nothing, Goldie. I just got very volatile too. I wonder what happened.
Pulling back again.
You know.
It's coming. Bang, holy man. Gold is funny. Makes everybody believe we're bullish now and then it just drops again.
And now we're back up. WW.
Yeah, we got volatility. And we going back down. Yo, what's going on right now? And I like that. I like that. Like that we are moving.
Yeah, but you know, we're moving indecisively, bro.
Yeah.
This is when I want market edge so I can easily take in fundamentals. Yeah. Yeah. You just need to get like a, in my opinion, just need to get a market sentiment. These like the crazy moves like yesterday, I don't think they're predictable. They're super unpredictable and uncertain. But if you can have like a market sentiment, like an overall idea as to the fundamentals that are playing a role in the markets, it's always good to have.
Nasdaq bleeding. Yeah, goalie very indecisive right now.
Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, bro, when are you gonna do that little presentation for us, bro? I'm putting you on the spot. Yeah, I'll put you on the spot. That's right. Oopsies. Goldie. You scaring me, Gold.
Hmm.
Oh, good. Sorry, brother. Yeah, do what you gotta do, bro. Do what you gotta do.
Yeah. Who knows how long you... It's, you know, maybe it's gonna end in a couple of months already.
Yeah.
This music makes me feel like I'm in a meditation center. W. Yeah, it's pretty chill. Got the 30
Right.
minute. What do you think about that, George? 1 hour, 30
I
minutes?
think, sadly, a whole lot of nothing. The 1 hour, if you want to execute just off the 1 hour, it looks really good, in my opinion. If we do break the previous 1 hour highs, we should fill the wick and maybe finally tap the 4 hour target. But the 30 closed right below this resistance, so it's not like I am interested in really executing on the 30. It's difficult, bro. The 1 hour looks pretty clean, though. The 1 hour looks clean.
Yeah, I don't like that we close below.
Yeah, same. I think personally, I would rather just wait for New York at this point. But if some of you are interested in getting aggressive with the buys, the previous 1 hour high, if that breaks, I think we have a high probability chance of filling that wick. If you're interested in that, I don't blame you.
Yeah.
The move would look like this. I wouldn't keep previous, it's way too steep. Full target would be that zone, and definitely manage at the wick fall. Something like this is what I would use. But I'd much rather save my bullet, bring it back for the New York session, and yeah, maybe catch code W then. And if I don't, that's okay. Then on to tomorrow. It's only Tuesday, so I ain't rushing nothing.
Yeah.
You
Same.
agree, brother?
I agree. We yeah. We had a good setup. We didn't got activated. Would have been a nice trade if we did. I think if goalie wanted to move down there, we would have been in. So now we close back above, but inside I'm not interested either. Yeah, Tuesday done. London session. We still
This
got
30 close lower, it would have been nice, but we just closed too high.
yeah. Lower or above, but we just closed. Like, yeah, nothing.
Yeah, right below.
All right, everybody. Students, we're gonna see us later in the NY session, and then we gonna be back on YouTube tomorrow.
Yes, sir. YouTube, thank you for pulling up. If you're interested, join the Discord. It's completely free. We have all the links and everything that you may need in the Discord. And thank you all for pulling up. Really appreciate you. We'll see you tomorrow morning to run it back up. Like you know, said, students, we'll see you in just a little bit. So go for a walk, maybe do something, come back to the charts, and we execute, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. W session. W session.
W
W,
session,
guys.
everybody.
Yeah. W. Stay blessed. Stay safe, and we'll see you in just a little bit. Peace, gang.
Peace, peace, peace.
See.